and night. Thank you, Lord, for whatever you did to us. Thank you.
My dad is nice. My dad is fun. He plays with me and we run. I love my dad.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Namisha. I'm from grade 8. Father is the head of the family. He works day and night to give us a secure future, makes us feel protected, safe, and loved. And showing your gratitude and your love towards your father for protecting you for these many years and providing you love. When I sleep, my father sleeps with me alone, and he takes care of me. He works hard till night and pays my fees for our future. He works hard. You are my best. You pass all the tests, and I like you too.
This is Asha. I am studying grade 5. I am talking about International Father's Day. Father's Day is celebrated on 3rd Sunday, June. It is the day to say thank you to fathers and fathers' figure and the love, care